Hi students, myself Neeraj Misra. Students, the topic about which I am going to practically explain here how to change the format of the system date of the computer. Basically, in computer, the format of the date is as uh, M, D, and YY. You just looking this one format. The date is just simply displayed in this format. 9 is the month, and 4 is the day, and 2020 is year. So this is the method, this is the way, this is the format in which the date is displayed. But suppose we require to change the format of the date, format of the system date, then how can we change? The topic is quite crucial and very easy to learn. So first of all, we'll have to go to the control panel. How can we go to the control panel? Bring the mouse to enter in the search menu and type here control panel. Control panel. Or you just have to adopt any other method is to go to the control panel. So now the control panel is opened. This is the control panel. This is the control panel which is opened now. And after that have to go to the uh, where regional setting, this is the region, and somewhere it is present at the regional setting, so have to click here. After clicking this will open the region dialog box. Regional setting dialog box may be there. After that have to click on to the additional setting. Click on to the additional setting button. Go to the click on to the date tab. The date tab is now opened, and now you are looking here. The short date is looking in this one format, that is a M D Y Y Y Y, and this is the format adopted to be displayed here as the system date in the format of M D Y Y Y Y, month, day, and year. But suppose we require to change the date format. So some options are also here according to which we can change the date format like as MDYY. Applying it, you will see the date format has now been changed. Second one, suppose we want to change again. The date format is MMDDYY. MM, month should be in the 2-digit, day should be in the 2-digit, and year should be in the 2 digits. Applying this, you will see 09, 04 and 20. 2020 is the year. That's why the last 20, last 2 digits, that is 20, is displayed here. So uh, this is the MMDDYY format. Next one format is uh, MMDDYYYY. The month should be in the 2 digits, and day should be in the 2 digits, and year should be in the 4 digits. Applying it, applying this one for now, you are just looking the format of the date has been now changed. Again, have to choose the other one date format. YYMMDD. You will see how it has been changed. Applying has been changed now. 20 is the year, 909 is the month, and 04 is the day. Next, YYMMDD, YYMM and DD. Apply. Now you are looking here. This is the year, this is the month, and this is the date. After that, DD, MMM, YY. What will you see here? After choosing this one format, you will see 4 SEPT means 4 SEP 24th September 2020. That is. But there is no any options here which changes the date format in DD, MM, YYYY. So what will you do here to change the date format in that one way? We'll have to write, we'll have to customize the date format by the users. We'll have to directly uh, set up the date format by the users by typing from the keyboard. Just have to type here DD, typing a DD oblique MM oblique YYYY and apply here. You will now see the date format has been just changed according to the date format has been defined by you. That is 4/9/2020, and it is permanent setting. Even you will close the computer, even you have closed your computer and will again start up the computer, there will be no changing the date format taken place. This is the permanent setting in your computer. Permanent setting of the date format in your computer. So just have to enjoy this one date format by going through the steps that have been simply taken by me. Also must have to take a, also have a, you just have to take up the same steps is to change the date format likewise. So this is the one important thing that I told you using the recording way, using this one way. Now I have to choose cancel, okay, and close.